Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix GTA 5 enable to launch correctly. So let's start. Now for the first method, go to the Windows taskbar. You can see this hidden upside arrow. You need to click it. After that, make sure to terminate the launcher you have the game on, either Epic Games or Steam. Right click, after that select exit. Now before you do anything, go to the Windows icon right here. After that, go to settings. Once this opens, in the left menu, you can see in the bottom Windows Update. Click on it. After that, make sure you download and install the latest available updates you will find. Next, go to the search once again. After that, go to NVIDIA app. If you can't find it, just go download it from the browser. Now make sure to log in with your right credentials. After that, go to drivers in the left menu and now click on install in the right in order to update the driver for the system. After that, select express or custom installation and then select continue and wait for the process to finish. For the last method, open the launcher you have the game on. After that, go to your library. You need to search for the game. Now you can see these three dots right here, which is settings. So click on it. Now once you do that, this will pop up including the manage section. So click on manage. After that, select verify files. This will automatically start by verifying the internal and original files of the game, and any missing or corrupted file will be recovered safely without any issues. So just click on verify and wait for the process to finish. After that, try launching the game once again, and if it still doesn't work, go straight to the Windows icon right here and make sure to restart your computer and try again. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.